if I bare my soul? How I'm gonna wear my gold? How I'm gonna wear this gear and wristwear? And although it's got monotonous hair, still stepping in hot to this year, like Muhammad to this year. Handle a mic like Martin Bashir. Get my pack of Winston's, black coffee, peacoat, and I'm outta here.